I think it's still morning, so morning everybody. Down LILSTOCK today. Again. Quite a few boys fishing here today, which is good. That's what I'd like to see. Come on boys, catch some fish. We're at the big cross thing where I fished before. I was going to go down there onto the beachy bit, you know, in between here and Shirton, but to be honest with you, I don't want to. Oh gosh, warm. It's windy, but it's warm. Quite strange. We got a very short opening today with the weather. I got about 3 hours fishing before it starts raining and getting really windy. We got another band of heavy rain, etc., coming through, so I don't want to be in that. As you all know, I don't like the rain, don't mind the wind, just don't like the wind and rain. There's another boat docked there at Hinkley Point's jetty, whatever you want to call it. Today, as I promised, or as I said in the last video, I'm using those cheapy rods I bought. They look quite nice even in the daylight. Gold. Yeah, the Shakespeare surf casting things. Shakespeare songs. There you go. It's quite windy down here today. At the moment it's 13 to 15 mile/hour winds. A bit heavier gusts. But we've got to put up with that. So if it gets a bit noisy on the camera, I do apologise. Yeah, as you can hear, the gusts are quite... there you go. I should have gone round the corner like I thought I was going to anyway. I'm just too tired. It's been a busy week. Oh god, look at this. Look at that for a bite. Wow. Let me just put you there a minute. Look at that for a bite. The right hand rod is a pulling pedal. Yeah, I'll roll that one down. I'll get the room. They're both on rag. That bite there looked like a little codling on the right hand rod. All the apps say there's not going to be any fish at all today, but we'll see. Rods have only just been out there, not even 10 minutes. Is he going to come back or what? Yeah, he's still there though. going to have to lower the rods down into the rod rest. Just to protect them a bit from the gusts, you know. Later on this afternoon, in a couple of hours, well, about 4 hours time, we got winds up to 45 mile an hour down in this part of the country. That's going to be pretty, yeah, pretty rapid, isn't it? This is a good test for these rods, actually, isn't it? Okay, right. Well, I might bring this one in and just check the bait on it. Whatever that was that was biting it has probably annihilated the bait. God, it's wind, wow. Okay, I'll bring it back. Gosh, wind is getting worse and worse as time's going on here. I don't know what this right hand rod's doing. It's kind of drifting around into the bay here. The ground out here is slate, well, sand over slate. And what's probably happened is the sand has disappeared. And all I got out there now is slate, and of course grip leads have got nothing to grip into, have they? Well, we'll see. That was a wicked bite. Wicked bite. Right, I'll bring you back anyway. There's the boat. Well, it's been a few bites. It's been pretty good actually. God, excuse me. The old tide's flooding in now. I better do a bait change in a minute. They've been out there for about 20 minutes now, those worms. So. Right, okay. Shame about the weather really, being so strong, but there you go. Okay, well I'll bring you back anyway. Yeah. Anyway. Constant sort of about 16, 17 mile an hour, but with gusts you wouldn't believe. Wow. The wind's been so strong that it's blown all the air off. Anyway, it's approaching high tide. I'm not going to stay here much longer. I think I'm going to do something useful, like take the wife shopping or something. Yeah. Okay, right, well, don't see me again here. I don't know when I'm fishing again next. I don't know when I'm going to go out tomorrow, do a low water at night. I'm not really sure. Trouble is, I've got loads of fresh bait ragworm and stuff, and I'm gonna have to use them up, aren't I? You know? By the time this video goes out, by the way, it's Saturday today. By the time this video goes out, I'll probably reach 1,000 subscribers. So many thanks to everybody that's subscribed, new and old. It's been quite a trek, really, if I'm honest. You know, I didn't expect that. I was only doing this to keep a video library of what goes on during a year of fishing, you know, for me personally. But somebody said, well, stick it up on YouTube, you know, then it's always going to be there. You know, for when I'm gone, etc. The kids will have something to watch, and you know what it's like. But yes, it's done really well. Quite amazing. Anyway, thank you very much to each and every one of you subscribers, new and old. Anyway, like I said, and yeah, it's been great. Thank you. We'll see what happens now in the next year. I've got loads of new places I'm going to go. I'll probably be fishing with a lot of people, to be fair. You know, now this this COVID and all that rubbish has calmed down. Perhaps we can meet up with a few fellow fishermen and have a few good sessions, you know. Anyway, that's enough waffle. Thanks again, everybody. I'm going to cut this session short. I want to go and do some other stuff, so take care all. And the next person I see on the beach, a new angler or a beginner, whatever, I'm going to give them one of these rods. Like I said the other day, that still stands. I'm going to keep one. The missus fancies one of them, so I'm going to give her one of those. I'll give the other one. Take care all. We'll see you again soon. And it might be on a windy beach near you. Take care. Cheers for now.